Uh, Talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you, talking, can't structure things. While I structure entries, exit scaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect, clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you been things. Liquidy sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I mock bad sentences, not people of things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Yeah. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back, right? Keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, true cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generation, no kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings. Do you have any shorts or longs? Let's get into it. 3, 2, and 1. A bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is, your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization, acronyms, that's schematic R223, and it's too much, I think. So we keep it easy, keep it simple, or rather not as difficult, level by level. Price cannot go up here without breaking this level. Price cannot, it's impossible, go down here without breaking this level. Level by level. And of course, we do zoom out so we can see the trend. The trend, very important. So we can know that we have a higher likelihood of either going up or down. Right now, oh my gosh, we're gonna get into it in just a second. gonna get into it. We got JR. JR is first. Congratulations to JR. Appreciate you, my man. Thank you very much. We got newbie crypto in the house. That's so funny. When I saw that, I just started laughing. I have a story. Hopefully y'all will stick around for it. I want to say it right now. But newbie crypto says, Daddy's here. 69K. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. Newbie crypto says, we got some volatility tonight. 5 out of 5. This Asia session. Lots of volatility coming up. Oh, wait. What time does the Asia session start? Was that an hour ago? I always forget. Newbie crypto says, currently in a short. And I'm pretty sure you are kicking some butt right now. Because, ooh, man. I was hoping for a bounce last night to potentially roll over. No bounce. We're going to talk about that. We got Curtis Hill in the house. What's up, Curtis Hill? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate everybody for smashing the like. Crypto bubbles on the daily. Ooh, man. Down. Bitcoin, 5.7%. Good Lord. That's a lot for Bitcoin. Ethereum, 5.8. Render, good. Man, come on. On the hourly, whoa. Some green, mainly red. Does this mean Bitcoin's going down? Well, if you've been under a rock, spoiler alert, yeah. Bitcoin is not looking strong. It hasn't looked strong in a while. Let us go to the Fear and Greed Index. We were at 14. Now we're at 12. Oh, thank you, man. I need to write that stuff down. It used to be 8, but then our time changed. So now 7. Thank you, newbie crypto. Appreciate you, man. So it's 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 7. I gotta remember that. I'm gonna probably forget. Remind me, guys. Let's see here. We're at 12. Ooh. Liquidations heat map on the 12-hour time frame. There's also hopefully I can remember to put it on my chart. I think I have it on my chart. Yeah, JR printing hard today. Yeah, JR's been killing it. Long, shorts, you name it, he's doing it. Let's go and reduce the threshold to 0.5. Thanks to our good buddy Al, who's also in JR's Discord. Told us about this little thing. It's been here the whole time. Never mess with it. Same thing, this little checkbox makes it look a little fancy. Then our good buddy Crypto Changed Me told us we can do this. Here we look like a noob. Noob. Here I think we look smarter, and I can take all the smartness I can take, and this is good right here. Let's see here. D.U says, wasn't under a rock, was under mining for that fiat. Let's go. Yeah, I was mining fiat too. Got bills, and I can also DCA. Yeah. But right now I'm saving up money so I can DCA in about a year. Saving up every last penny I can. Another like, because you're my favorite. Man, D.U. Nobody get jealous. You're my favorite. You are? So thank you. See here, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. Hour before I go live. Okay, awesome. Yeah, so JL goes live at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard. And then I go live at 9. And then we have Lunar Beaches at 10. Sometimes Road Dog at 10, 10:30. Sometimes Crypto Squid sometimes goes at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard. So there's a lot of people to watch. Be Monitor in the house. What's up, man? Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you very much. See here. There's a great indicator that gives me good session highs and lows I use sometimes. It's called, oh yeah. Lunar Beaches Crypto told me about this some time ago. I forget what the kill zone means, but he was kind of teaching it a couple months ago. Thank you. Let us save that. And I appreciate you, Newbie Crypto, for sharing this alpha. And I'm going to save it right here. Look at that. Boom. Gonna save it in my notes, but that we can pull it up. Let's see here. We got Crypto Change Me in the house. He's the one who told us about this right here. Blue. Look at this. Look how fancy this looks. And not gonna lie, I feel smarter already. I need all the help I can get. Right now, man, lots of liquidity built to the top side. Just lots. Right now we're in the 24-hour time frame. Could we come down since we're so close to it to go up? Sure. Could we just from here go straight up and never see this area again? Sure. But again, we trade level by level. Right now it's looking incredibly weak. Incredibly. 12-hour time frame. We can see we have nice liquidations to the top side. Very nice. As we come down, we build more to the top side. As we go up, we build more to the downside. Again, a lot of people trying to long Bitcoin, trying to catch the bottom. All these people who trade demand zones, they trade SFPs, swing failure patterns, like all those type of traders, they're kind of sweating bullets right now because it was going up, and then we trade level by level, and we reduce the amount we can gain because we're waiting for confirmation of the break of the level. But it's not just, we don't buy breakouts. That's not how we trade. There's a price has to go up, down, retrace 38-50%, then break the level. That's our break. We don't, just because it breaks the level, we do not enter. Because if it just went up, guess what's going to happen next? Price does two things: goes up, goes down, or goes down, then up. So it wouldn't make any sense. We break the level. Oh, enter now. No, it just went straight up. We wanted to pull back, then break that new level. So that's how we trade. But price came up, didn't break the level, came down, nice retrace, came up. This is our pivot point, our decision point to break this, Went even lower and break down. Oh no. Came all the way down here, took this, and we're gonna break down Bitcoin in just a moment. Let's go to the 3-day. See here. Bear trap incoming. That is really creative. I like that. Bear trap incoming. See, Newbie Crypto says, I've been taking long trades, but it's only been quick scalps. Yeah. So here's the thing, like right now, bearish, very bearish. But if we think that it may go up to a moving average, a point of control, a fair value gap, supply zones, just anything that where the price might go up to before potentially reversing or continuing, you can easily trade those. And it's not easy. Oh, trading's easy. No. What I'm saying is you could have a thought process where it's going to go up or down, but it may go down, then up, or up, then down. And so what you could do is just scalp trade. And sometimes those scalp trades turn into a swing trade because it continues going that way. It's like, oh man, I thought it was just going to retrace to 3.2 or 0.5 and then continue up. But it retraces to 3.2, 0.5, goes up and rolls over. I was like, okay, well, I guess I'm in this scalp a little bit longer than I thought it was going to be. So yeah, very true. I definitely wouldn't be looking to take swing longs 100%. Do them as scalps, and they may go into swings, but right now, and so right now we're just talking, even with Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin bounces. These altcoins, they're going to bounce too. Bitcoin retraces, these alts are going to feel a little bit harder. They're going to retrace. Now, one thing that we've been noticing for a long time already, where if Bitcoin breaks its high, its newly created pivot that it just made, these alts aren't doing that. And we've been noticing that for a long time already. But yeah, very true. Very true. It's not ranging. Nope. Sure isn't. Sure isn't. So here we got Melissa One Love in the house. What's up, Melissa? Appreciate you being here. Strike a heart in the house. What's going on? We are about to take out previous day low. Let's go. Man, look at this market. I'm telling you, it looks so horrible. So incredibly horrible. So on the weekly, lots to the upside. Lots of liquidity. And let's see. Let's go to Clash really quick. Clash not looking good. Continues to come down to our potential zone that it needs desperately to bounce. If it does not, it's looking for a pretty hard pullback. Very hard. Okay, now let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the 12-hour. Over here, I think this was yesterday. And I'm thinking, okay, more than likely, we're going to come up to roughly this level. And this is a level on a lower time frame. And not only that, but it got respected also on the 12-hour. More than likely from here, I'm up to, and what I love doing is I love doing the fib retracement to see where we'll have our levels and possibly retrace. I think we're gonna come up here and bump our head on all these anchored VWAPs and then come down. This is my plan A. Not looking good. I'm thinking we are gonna go up though to roll over. Nope. No luck. From here, straight down. So what does this mean? What does this tell me? At some point, we're gonna go up. Right, because price does only two things. It goes up and it goes down. Goes down and goes up. Price only does two things. And yes, even a range is up and down. So let's just look, hypothetically, if for some strange reason we were to bounce right now, for some strange reason, if we were to bounce right now, I'm looking potentially for us to go to 382, which would be right around 81,862, to maybe even 0.5, which would be 84,929. Then, if we do that, the next thing is to see where it pulls back, because guess what? It's going to pull back. It's going to go up and down, up and this is bullish. This is the hopium that I'm serving you right now. Again, what goes down has to come up. It can't go straight down. Now, could it go from here straight down to 30? Sure. But eventually, again, all we need is time. It's going to go up. And what we're looking for is we're looking for this. So right now, price coming down, right? Price coming down. We're looking for it to go up, create a pivot, come back down, create a pivot. This is our decision point. What are we going to do? Are we going to attack this level to make this a bounce and potentially start a trend change by breaking the high? That's why we trade level by level. And then now start continuing up. Or decision point, are we going to roll over, break this low? Oh crap, level 1. Break this other low. Oh crap, level 2. And then of course we have other levels that will be oh crap, level 3 to the left. So this is what we're looking for. I'm looking for the up. When we come up, I'm shooting for the 0.32 to possibly the 0.5 for us to create our pivot. And then once we do, what are we going to do now? Are we going to attack this or just roll over? If we roll over, oh crap, level 1, wherever the pivot becomes, oh crap, level 2. And that's why we trade level by level. Now let's just say, for example, let's say we do go up and we're coming up, we're creating another higher high, higher low, and then we break a level. Uh-oh. Then we break a pretty decent level. So this is just like a slight little up and then it breaks, but we're really close to this one. So this will be our major level. This will be, oh crap, level 1. Are we going to come down and take all this liquidity? Or if we do a pivot, if we do a fib retracement from the low to the high, is this a nice retracement? 38, 50%. This is why we wait to see if it continues breaking the lows. Oh crap, level 1 right here. Oh crap, level 2. And it's like, oh man, now it's just, and these pattern traders, they're gonna, squint their eyes really tight, shake their head really fast, spin around their chair several times. Oh look, we have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder to the downside. That's what they'll see. What we see is levels being broken. Oh, not good. We start breaking levels. We start coming for people who put their stop losses here, put their stop losses here. And then, does it have to take it? No, it can bounce wherever it wants. But this is what we're looking for. This is how I trade, level by level, and nothing is guaranteed. We could have bullish divergence. We could have an inverse head and shoulders. We could have a bounce off of the value area low or point of control. VWAPs, anchored VWAPs. We can have all this stuff, and the price can still come down. So that's why it's very important to be very, very careful. We're gonna do that one, select this one, and delete. Boom, like magic. Whoa. All right, so that's my thought process. So for here, let's go ahead and just adjust these. Let's go from here. And we'll do it like this. We'll do it like this. Right now, currently, it's not looking good. So because we don't have any strength yet, this is my plan A. Now, if we do come up, we come back down, and we break this newly created pivot, well, then my plan A goes up here. Because now we're breaking the pivot and potentially changing the trend. So that's how that works. All right, moving on. Moving on. The INJ, Farcoin, and AVAX are ranging though. Hey, nice. Make that money. And I turned on the heater just before I went outside. Outside for a little bit. Not really cold, but a little chilly. And now it's getting a little warm. We got Wick's wife in the house. What's up, Wick's wife? Appreciate you for being here. Appreciate you greatly. Maybe if we reach 50K, I'll look for swing loans. Yeah. I'm looking, hopefully, to buy at 65, 55, 45. Let's go. And at any of those points, I don't know about swing longs, but I would be looking for longs because more than likely that's where Bitcoin might bounce. Again, I don't know. And one thing that what I do is I'm very particular with my wording. I don't say, oh, that's where Bitcoin's going to bounce, or it has to do this, or it will do this. I don't think the only price has to do go up, go down, or down, up. That's it. But I notice a lot of traders, they do that, whether it's with Bollinger Bands, moving averages, point of controls, anchored VWAPs. Oh, it did this, and it's going to go here. It has to. It always does. Whenever something like that situation happens, what I say is it bounced here or it's far away from this moving average. We have a really high chance we're going to go to it. Doesn't mean we will, but probability is pretty great we're going to go to it. And it's not a magnet. For those of you who know, you know. It just, that's where the average is. So it would just make sense that the price could gravitate towards that area, but it can also deviate really quick. It goes up and then can just continue coming down, and the moving averages will follow it, or the anchor VWAPs will follow it. So just to let you know. Hey, we got Floki's Angel in the house. Floki's Angels, appreciate you greatly. I'm loving your cat videos. It was so funny making the cat's bed, and I should do cat videos. Anyway, making the cat's bed, and the cat's like, "No, do it like this." That's funny. That's cute. I can't comment on your videos though. I'm on my phone and I can't comment on them. I smash the like though. It lets me smash the like. But great videos, man. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Let's see here. Or if price begins to range. Yeah, true. And then bear market. Possible. Are we in a bear market? I tell you what, it doesn't feel like a bull market, especially with us making lower highs, lower lows. And then when we do make a higher high, we end up breaking the lows. Oh crap, level 1. Oh crap, level 2. Then oh crap, level 3. Depending on where the candle closes. Yeah. Okay, level 2, 3. But it does not feel. And one thing that I love the community. Like everybody who's here, I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Last season, it was all, oh, we're going to all-time highs and blah, blah, blah. And it was nothing but hopium, extended cycle and blah, over and over and over again. But looking back now, because back then I was learning how to trade. I was pretty good too. However, everything's going up. Then fast forward, now I see this as like, okay, we were doing great, making new highs, not breaking the lows, making new highs, not breaking the lows, making new highs, broke a low. Okay, no problem. More than likely we'll bounce here. More than likely. We bounce. Oh, perfect. Came up, came down, boom. Uh-oh. Not good. Not good at all. Sure enough, went to our areas that we were thinking that it might go to. And then now, coming up here and boom, breaking the levels. This to me, let's come over here, the daily. Let's hide all this stuff. Let's go weekly, just so we can see this in a little bit clearer perspective. This to me looks a whole lot like this. I don't know about you, but it looks to me a whole lot like this. We've had our run up. This was, can y'all see? Oh, y'all can't see the dates. I don't know how I can bring this up. Oh, that's not good. So that's one of my, I think I showed an email. That's one of my emails. So if you try to scam me, I have only certain emails that go to that one. So don't scam me. Can you see my stuff now? The dates. I'm trying to show the dates. So April, I have about 12 emails. Give you a heads up. April 2021. Here. We thought moon mission. Let's go. Then we had a pullback. Oh crap. But then it's not over. Boom. October. Let's go. November. Let's go. Then we started to pullback. Oh, extended cycle. Everything's great. Extended cycle. This is healthy. Let's go. And then we broke this level. Oh crap. Level 1. Well, we could probably call this oh crap level 1. Oh crap level 1. If you're on a daily, you could probably get an oh crap level 1 here, but we'll just since we're on the weekly, we can do it here. And let me catch up on chat just a second. Oh crap level 1, oh crap level 2, not good. Now we're waiting for this pivot to break, and we didn't. This is why now I trade level by level, and we just kept on. Now We're over here. Oh, let's go, moon mission. Oh man, it's over, it's done. Oh wait, no, okay, now moon mission. And does this look familiar? This is healthy, this is a healthy retrace. Oh crap, level 1. Uh-oh. Now we want to be a little bit more, as far as like the levels breaking. Here's our first level. Here's our second level. And here's our third level. So could we come down? Possible. More. Stay down? Possible. And then come up. And that's the next cycle. Possible. Time flies very fast too. Time flies very fast. So here, going down the list, catching up on the chats. Here, doing great as well. Going live at 9 p.m. Central. So that's at 8 p.m. Eastern. Very nice. Crypto coin mindset, my man. Dude, I love you. I love you, dude. Yeah, you're the best. You really are. And my favorite. And I don't know what today is. Wednesday? So on Friday, we go on Crypto Coin Mindsets channel at 7. We hang out. They have a few beers. I drink water. And it's literally like hanging out around the campfire, telling stories, talking about crypto, talking about life, talking about AI, talking about whatever. Last time we were talking about food. So we just have a great time. It's a great escape. It really is. See here. That was Floki. Yeah. Super, super cute. See here. Go back to do some recent videos. Very nice. Very nice. See here. Going down the list. Okay. Going down the list. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Amazing. We got David in the house. What's up, David? Appreciate you, man. Newbie Crypto says, Joe, are you in any trades? Yes, I did not know, and I feel such a noob. But again, we're always learning. We always are. I did not know we could trade gold and silver on Blowfin. I learned this last night, and within 10 minutes, I gave setups to my VIP group for both gold and silver. I didn't know we could trade that. You know, anytime I would look up gold and silver, I was always looking at it for like the stock exchange or whatever. I didn't know we could trade that. I feel so dumb. And so I was in JR's Discord and I asked, I said, hey man, can we trade gold and silver on Blowfin? They're like, yeah. The ticker's XAU and I do the XAUT, it's Tether Gold, or XAG, which is silver, which is totally backwards. And I looked at this and said, holy smokes, man, I did a charts real quick. I gave them to my VIP group. I said, here you go. So yeah, I'm in gold, silver, and also long, and also height. So yeah. Yeah, so let's pull them up. Let's pull them up. Let's go YouTube so you don't see the VIP charts. Let's go YouTube. And it's XAU and then T. So this is the one that I do. Now I actually asked ChatGPT, what's the difference between XAU and XAUT? And ChatGPT said, you know, this one is Tether Gold and it's tied to gold. The other one, it's more of the, I'm forgetting the word, where it's like the Bitcoin that the stock people buy. The word is escaping me, but it's not actually Bitcoin. It's like holding, oh man, the words are escaping me. Anyway, so I did this one. So this is the one I use. This is the one I'm trading. Holy smokes. I did not know this was actually gold. We charted this a long time ago in October. Huh. I didn't know this. In October, somebody asked for this coin on YouTube. And I didn't know this was like the, instead of doing on an exchange, the stock market, that this is on Bluefin. Wow. Let's see here. Yeah, I didn't know that. So here, October 2nd, which was, I guess here, I said enter and then have a lower investment here, 17% lower, and it never went down. And if you know, you took this trade, who entered the trade? Man, get out of here. Put 7s in the chat or 43s or whatever. You would have been 45% at the high. Currently 28%. Put 17s in the chat, guys, if you enter the trade and blah blah blah. Okay. So yeah, so this is gold, which is pretty cool. I didn't, and even though I looked it up, I didn't know this was like real tradable on gold or whatever. Oh, and you can also do the demo trade. Very nice. I think I was, oh, okay. Sophie's Angel says, I think I was the one who asked you, possibly. More than likely. Yeah. Yep. Very true. So we entered this for a long. I mean, if you just look at it on the daily, had a really nice retrace. I didn't know that we could buy this. But since, you know, this would have been the ideal spot. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. On the 4-hour time frame. Here's our level. What we do is trade levels. This is our level right here. We wanted to break this level. And, you know, could we have bought down here? Sure. But you could also bought down here and it went lower. But then you just add to it, in my opinion. But this is the level that we wait for. Sure enough, we were kind of dancing on the level. We started going up. Last night, I said, you know, we have a good chance of it pulling back. Man, and I entered here the 382 and the 0.5. I missed it by $2.30. $2.30. Let me show you. $2.30 to add to my entry. I was like, you got to be joking me. You got to be joking me. Let me see here. So let me show you this. So this was last night. I'm not going to show you all of it, but the price was here. This is on the 4-hour time frame. Price was here. Well, first when it was up here, I told it in the VIP chat, and the price was literally up here. And I said, more than likely, you know, come down. I was going to make a video too. And I said, I mean, I didn't know we can trade gold, but the price was up here. I think we're going to pull back. So the price was literally right here. So wherever I start my path tool, that's where the price was at. Price right here. I'm thinking we're going to come down to here, come up. And I had my circle here, just in the VIP chat. It was an official setup. Then about 10, 20 minutes later, I'm guessing, I put the circle here to enter aggressively if you wanted to. But the lower entry was 48,447. Now, look up here. I don't know if you can see this. This candle went to 48,447. So what is that? $2.30. $2.30. I missed my lower ad. But it's okay though. We might get it. So we'll see. And then if it jumps, we have a stop loss on this one, but I don't think it'll hit. So we'll see. Let's see here. Show your heart says I'm here. Okay, good. Here. Anyone else long on Bitcoin? Nice quick move. Let's look at Bitcoin. 3-minute time frame. Right now, currently above the 9 SMA, which is our white. Our yellow SMA, which is our 30. Or this is our orange SMA. Our VWAP, which is our blue. We're currently underneath the 50 SMA on the 3-minute red. And then here's our 200. So far, we've been bouncing our head on this 200 so far. You know, we kind of broke above it and we broke below, broke the level. Oh crap. So let's see. We have this nice little range. Let me get rid of all my squigglies, all my cheat sheets. Let me see what I see. So right now, could we enter? Sure. Higher risk, just because we have a lot. Let me see. And of course, this is not to be, you know, oh, we're going to hold it for 5 years and it's going to go to whatever. It's just a scalp. Just a scalp. So in the 3-minute time frame. So you can see we have a bunch of areas where we got rejected, a bunch of areas where candles closed. So this would be definitely my target if I were to enter. Currently right now we continue to do lower highs. Now let's put on our cheat sheet. It's too risky for me. I would need to break above this zone. Zone is 73,987, 73,433. Could you do now? Sure. So I'm only afraid that this, and let's go to a little bit, so we can see more of the candle bodies. I'm only afraid that we could, and again, we don't know, but we could come up here, hit our first target if you did a long, come down, oh man, maybe come back into the middle of this to do that. So for me, I would really like to see us break above this zone. I want to see us break above the zone. So this would be more of a higher risk, but you make more money than me by a lot. So here's where I would set my alert. And depending, you would make about 2.5% more than me if you entered along now. But I'm reducing my risk by waiting to see what happens. Do we get rejected off of this zone, which has been serving as a barrier, or do we break above it? And if we break above it, you made 2.5% more than me, but I'm reducing my stops getting hit. Could they still get hit? Sure, of course. But this one, it's very risky. I like it though. You know, we're starting to break above our levels. Our 9, our 30, our VWAP. Right now we're trying to break above the 50. We got our 200. I like it. It's too risky for me though. Let's see here. We got Scar in the house. What's up, Scar? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you. We're getting our steps in. We've done 44 minutes. Doesn't even feel like 10. Good Lord, man. I love doing my steps when I'm doing the live streams. I really do. Because I don't even realize I'm doing the steps until I start sweating. But we're going speed, just 1. 44 minutes on the stepper, and we have traveled 0.7 miles. We have traveled this together, guys. 0.74. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see here. Yes. Yes. I love JR strings. I don't know if I love the soundboard more or JR's, setups. They're both great, but I really love the soundboard. And I love that Indian song that plays. So funny. So funny. See here. Alexo, very nice. Let's see here. What time did he finish? Like at 10:30 or so? Yeah, Alexo's a beast. He was an absolute beast. Here. Yes. Yeah, man. When I used to drink, man, I would save so much money. Kicking back with, crypto coin mindset, I would save so much money because I'd go to the local watering hole, spend a bunch of money, I'm rich, and pay for people's tabs and buy drinks and shots and just be dumb. The next day I look at my account, holy smokes, I'm not doing that again. Following week, same story. Then I started hanging out with Crypto Coin Mindset on Fridays, saving a crap load of money. But yeah, but now I don't drink. I've realized that I make much wiser decisions. And when my cousin was here, he goes, Joe, do you mind if I buy beer and put in the fridge? Dude, you can do whatever you want. Dude, do you mind if when we go out to eat, like if I can drink? Dude, it's not like I'm an alcoholic to where it's like, oh man, I see beer and the condensation and I just choose not to. I made some very poor decisions, and I've been very lucky. Oh my gosh, can't even count the luck I've had. Like it would be a movie. It really would. Crazy. I see here. Sugar says, I'm trying to think about the next buy zones. Let's go. Moon mission. Let's go. You funny. You funny. See here. Let's go. It's going good, man. It's going good. I'm in a few trades. Just gold, silver, hype. I'm not trading as much as I used to, just because I'm building this. Well, I'm trying to build this $10 account. I need to do another one. But so I did $10. Right now I think I got it to like 42, but I think it's down to 40, maybe 41. So I kind of went a little too aggressive on, I think it was gold. I was trying to short it just really quick so I can long it. I was in a long already, and that short, it took more money than I thought it was going to take. But it is what it is. I got in based on confluence with price action and volume only. There you go. Volume, my ex-mentor used to say, volume is key. So yeah, but volume can be buying volume or selling volume. So to me, it doesn't really help. Now, granted, we need it to move, so volume is important. But even when it's a low volume and the price is going up, there's divergence. That means the price should come down. However, I've seen it where price is going up, volume is low. People see that the price is going up. What do? Oh, it's up 30%. Let me buy it. And then in comes the volume. So the volume is always being changed or adjusted. And then the price continues doing whatever. But yeah. Just a quick scalp. Literally a quick scalp, yeah. And then, like, especially when you're scalping and you have that idea, like, you're watching it because it's a scalp. It's not like, oh, I'm just going to set it and forget it. But if you see it like reversing or breaking a level, let me move up my stop loss, or let me just close. Usually I don't close my trades. I just move my stop loss, and then I get stopped out. And sometimes it'll stop me out only to go the way I thought. It's like, dang it. And you can re-enter. But it could have went the other way, and you get stopped out, and you're like, man, I was looking at it. So that's a good thing about scalps, good and bad. Good thing about scalps is that you're looking at it, and you can make adjustments on the fly. The bad thing is you're looking at it, and you're like, oh, and then because there have been times where I've had it set up, and I'm watching it. I was like, no, you know what? Let me move my stop loss. Get stopped out, pulls back just a little bit more, and then I go to bed or I forget about it or whatever, and then it goes to my target. It's like, dang it. If I would have just left it alone. But yeah. Triggerheart says, I was rich once. Yeah, same here, man. Doing nursing, overtime. I love working. Overtime, no kids, no wife, no nothing. Just party, living like a rock star. And, oh man, those were the days. And it was funny. Then I got married. She already had kids. And, I was like, man, can I work some more hours? Because I need to make some money. Yeah, kids are expensive. Good Lord. Rich in tacos. Let's go. See here. Who's your ex-mentor? He's a smart man. His name was Crypto Bitcoin Chris. He had Crypto Revolution. He's my ex-mentor. I had a few, but multi-millionaire, of course. He had a paid group. Reason for his multi-millionaire. He was able to buy BNB, and he would say this openly too, where he got lucky. Straight up, he got very lucky. He bought BNB, a lot of it, because free money's coming in from his group. He sat on it, and 2-3 years later, instant multi-millionaire. So yeah. So the quickest way to become a millionaire, sell a course, sell a boot camp, sell whatever. For me, do I have a paid group? Sure. But that's only people who want to get the updates, to learn how to trade. We do that here for free. Learn, and if you have money and you want to help support this free content, you join the group. I have a lot of people that have money. Ooh, man, bukus of money. And they're helping me out by being in the group, because they see that I have a good heart. Well, they tell me that, and I do. But they see they have a good heart. I'm trying to, help people. Because, like, for me, it would suck so bad. Single mom, single dad, kid straight out of school. They want to learn how to trade, but they can't, because they have to spend $500 or $1,000 or whatever it is to learn. And they don't get the opportunity to potentially change their life. And none of this is financial advice. But here, I show you everything. There's not, I never, if you want that secret, you have to go into my paid blah, blah, blah. No. Ask. And if I know it, I'll tell you. And if I don't know it, I'll tell you. So that's what I do here. And I'm very blessed, very blessed. I have people, like I said, they believe in this cause, and it's because of that I have the lights on. So you get them. Here. Does not feel like going up at all. I mean, it could, but it's just too risky. For me, anyway. For me, it's just too risky. It looked good. I mean, it was above the 9 SMA, above the 30, but we could bang our head here and then maybe roll over. We'll see. This just looks so bad, man. And could you get these little moves? Yeah, can. And it breaks this low or breaks this level, we short. Breaks this level, we long. We came down here. Let's see. Okay. So here, I would have shorted. Here. So here's the thing too. Because I have nothing to sell you, I'll tell you what I would have done. Now, if I had something to sell you, I might not say all the stuff because I'm trying to sell a product, which is me being an amazing trader. And no, like I'm a trader, period. Very nice. So here is a level, the 3-minute time frame.
Has donated $4.99.
You're the best. And my favorite. Joe, is she paying your way to your heart? I don't know, but I like it. And I thank you. I thank you very much. So here's a level right here. We tried, couldn't do it. We tried again. Sure, I would have taken it. Normally I would say no, but we had this nice little come up and then break down. So I'm looking at it from this top to this bottom. Nice retrace or potential, bounce, but then it failed. I would have liked to see it go up, down, up some more to like this area. Man, this would have been powerful to come down. Oh, let me draw it. For the price from here to go to this area. So for it to come up to this level, and it did, to come down about 38-50% of this extension leg to come up to here, then do this. Boop, boop, boop. And this definitely I would have shorted if it would have done this. But since it did this and it had this move where I thought it might get rejected from, I didn't do a short. I didn't do a short right here. And then comes up, stop loss is right here. Holy smokes, what the heck? Okay, fine. Hopefully it'll get rejected here and then roll over. And you know what? No, I would have my stop loss higher. I'd have it up here. Again, I have nothing to sell you, so I'm going to tell you exactly what I've done in the moment. And that's what I do. I don't say what I would have done because I see what happened. I tell you what I would have done based off of how I trade. And I would have lost. I would have my stop loss up here. Hopefully we bounce here or get rejected here. We come up. And so here, we're going. Ooh, really? So we get rejected here. Now here, I would have shorted. But I'm only looking for it to come down about 38 to 50% of the move to potentially continue going up and then do this number. So I'm going to short higher leverage 50, 75x, and these are going to be my targets. And this is what I'm saying, like, you can have scalp trades that turn into swings. I'm gonna check the chat in just a second. And first target hit, second target hit, keeps on running. Holy smokes. And starts coming up. Uh-oh, my stop loss was up here or wherever it was at. I'm getting it, I'm moving it fairly tight because it moves straight down. What's gonna happen? Two things, always. Price goes down, price goes up. Price goes up, price goes down. Here, it went straight down, no bounce. So I put my stop loss, boom, get stopped out. Now I'm looking for it to break this level or short again. I'd wait for this. And then doing this number. So in order for me to long, I would have liked it to break this. But again, we have this level here. We have this selling pressure here. I mean, this was nice, like here, but for me, there's no structure that I could trade on. That's just me. Let's see here. Newbie says, take profit, hit, got out. Nice. Oh, I heard of him. Please. Oh, no, wait. Oh, I heard of him. Didn't he pass? No. He is, I think, alive. And of course, if you know him, maybe you know me. I'm the guy he moved from Texas to Georgia. I'm the guy who was gonna take over the company. I'm the guy who became the boss of everybody. Trip had to answer to me. If Trip wanted something to go to Chris, Trip had to talk to me. Then I told Chris. That was my position in the company. Then everything happened and I left. But I was correct when I said that he was not hacked. And several months later, people realized that he wasn't hacked. Then the rumor is that he passed. And I'm saying that he's in hiding. I don't know for sure, but for the people who say, oh, that's mean to say, and how could you do that? My thing to you is show me proof, because there is none. Well, there's an obituary site, blah, blah, blah. Call the number and ask, how do you get on that obituary site? And they will tell you, oh, it's a free service. And all you have to do is provide information. So give you a heads up. In a few years, more than likely, we'll see him on the news. And then I will be correct again. Just to let you know. Thank you, Andrew G. You're the best. You're the best. JP in the house. What's up, JP? Appreciate you. The words are gone. Uh-oh. See here. Story time. Yes. Bro, get out. That's wild. Yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. Yeah, but I'm the guy who moved out to Georgia. Here. Very nice. All right, so we are past our time, guys. We are past our time. And if y'all want to know more, just ask me on the next live stream, because I love giving people information. I love it. All right, so let us look at who is live right now. We drop some people, and it's okay. Right around this time, we drop people. That's me. That's so funny. That's all right. Moving on. Let's see here. Doing the stepper, speed of 1. We have traveled 62 minutes. 62 minutes on the stepper. And we have traveled 1.3 miles, guys. Let's get it. Tommy 2 liters. Story time. Story time. All right, so we have Lunar Beaches Crypto. Let's see here. Who else do we have? Oh, Crypto Squid. Is this the one that always tricks me? February 4. 9/20. Is he live right now? I don't even know if it's live right now. We'll try here. Oh, let's try. Okay. Remember, Trade Intuition Raid. Make sure to smash the like. And I do thank you guys very much. Bitcoin's going to the moon. Let's go. Thank you guys very much. See you in the next video. Until then, as always, not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. Whether we go long or we go short, risk management is extremely important. Please be careful. Only trade what you can afford to lose using that stop loss. I do thank you guys. And now it's time for me to find the off button. So let me go look for it. Where is it? Where's that dumb off button? Oh, here it is.